Hi, Sir Gunawan. My name is Audrey Jacqueline. I'm gonna tell you about my future goals. As someone who has an interest in English, I have achievements and targets that I want to achieve in the future. First of all, I want to study English more deeply and deepen my knowledge of English literature. I want to explore the more complex and difficult to understand works of English literature, such as the works of Shakespeare or works of contemporary literature. Apart from studying English well, I also want to be a successful person in this field. I aspire to become a professional writer or translator, and I want to produce works that are recognized internationally. I want to be a writer who can inspire others through my works and convey positive messages through my writings. I plan to continue learning and developing my English skills both through reading English literature and communicating with native English speakers. To achieve this goal, I need to have strong motivation, discipline, commitment, and hard work in learning English and literature, as well as expanding my horizons and experiences through the various opportunities available. Thank you.